my channel. It's Fit with Staceyniman, and I am Stacey. Today I'm going to be giving you a wellness tip for Wellness Wednesday, and it is all about hydration and what I drink in a day. So if you like this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up and click on the subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any other videos. Head over to my playlist section and check out workouts of the week. Those are longer workout videos, usually done with my clients in class, sometimes at home. I do them myself, picking favorites that I love from the week. And I've got 50 to 20 minute videos as well for you. So enjoy and give me that thumbs up. Let's see you soon. Bye.
Happy Wednesday, guys. Wellness Wednesday, and I want to give you a little bit of a tip. I am not a dietitian, nor am I a nutritionist, but I do get questions a lot about how much water I consume in a day, what I put in my waters, and I've come a long way with my water intake. I probably drink about 3 to 3.5 liters of water a day. Now, for me personally, I'm working out a lot. On most days, except on the weekends where I actually don't end up drinking as much water. But when I am working out, especially as much as I do regularly, I make sure that I drink a lot of water. And usually my water consists of lemon, lime, and cucumber. However, that's usually like my workout water. So I'm going to walk you through kind of what I drink in a day, and that would give you an idea of where all that goodness comes from. Okay, here we go. So every night before I go to bed, I fill up a large glass of water and I bring that upstairs with me. I do that in case I'm thirsty in the middle of the night, but I also do it because it's gotten me into the habit of waking up and drinking a full glass of water. Whereas before, I used to come downstairs and make myself a coffee, which is just dehydrating the body, and we need to hydrate the first thing when we wake up, or at least that's what we are told to do. It works for me. So I drink that water upstairs. I come down and then I fill that same glass about halfway with more cold water from the fridge. And to that, I add organic chlorella. So this is by Organica. And what I love about chlorella is that it's rich in iron and vitamin B and magnesium. And it's got lots of really good nutritious greens in there. And so this one doesn't taste that bad. There are plenty out there that taste worse, that have much more of a seaweedy, fishy flavor. But I like this one. And once I've poured this into my cup and I've mixed it up really good, I'll take that with one of my turmeric pills. So this is just turmeric in pill form. You can get it in many other forms, and this I use to help with inflammation in certain areas of my body that might be sore, right? Because I'm fairly active, and I find that this certainly helps in that regard. So I take that with my turmeric, and then I go about and make I have a big water bottle that's for 1 liter, and I fill that with lemons, lime, and cucumber. And that is something that I take with me throughout my workouts in the morning, my classes, my personal workout, whatever I'm doing. And I get through that probably before lunch. So that's a lot of water right there at the get-go. And then after lunch, or sometimes during lunch, I will pour complete collagen into my water. So the collagen is also amazing. And one of the reasons why I just recently got back into using this in my diet is because Kenzie and I went for a couple of manicures, and 2 of my fingers, both index fingers, the nails started splitting, and my nails don't split. I tend to have fairly strong nails. And I think it was from removing the nail polish. And then I actually also gave Kenzie and myself manicures and more nail polish remover. And I think it just was playing havoc on my nails. So one of the things collagen is great for is nail growth and luxurious hair, even though mine's really greasy from work all day. But really good for that stuff. And what else can I tell you? That it's got so many benefits. It helps with healthy bones, with cartilage, teeth, and gums. As I said, healthy hair and skin, and rebuilding the collagen in your body. And I like this one a lot. So this one is citrus twist. So it's got a bit of a lemony flavor to it, and it's delicious. And I've added that into my day as well. And then the last thing that I have been putting in lately into my water, not all the time, is the Natural Calm. So this was actually introduced to me many years ago when I had my school for children with various kinds of special needs. And I worked closely with a sensory integration doctor because one of my students had sensory integration disorder, and this was prescribed to him to have before bedtime to help calm him down, along with melatonin. And anyways, we found that this worked with him, and the older I got and the more I read about this in terms of helping with inflammation and other things, I find that this is a nice add-on if I'm feeling sore, or if I just need some kind of, chill out to my body because I'm running ragged, which is me on most days, not gonna lie. But the only thing that I would say about this one is to go easy, because it can have a diuretic effect. But it is yummy, and this one is raspberry lemon flavor. It tastes really good. It tastes kind of like soda water, and can't go wrong with that. So, but again, just go easy on it. And before you in taking any of this stuff, you should always consult your doctor or your nutritionist or dietitian so that they can give you more information. But that's stuff that I add to my water. So on top of that, I continue to drink more water because I'm a nutcase. But in all seriousness, I work out a fair bit. I am moving so much throughout the day, and I need to make sure that I stay hydrated. But usually by the time dinner rolls around, I hit my soda stream because I do love me some fizzy, and I stopped drinking Diet Coke many years ago, and I got tired of buying bottles and causing more damage to our environment. So I do love my soda stream, and I'll usually drink about 1 liter of that, which is why I'm up in the middle of the night peeing so much. But hey, So that is it, my friends. I always say to my kids that they need to check the color of their pee. And as most of us adults know, but some of you might not know, we want our pee to be as clear as possible. So that is a sure way of testing to make sure that you are hydrated to your body's need. So the more yellow your pee is, the more dehydrated you are. And oftentimes the kids will come home and I'll see a full bottle of water and I will say, did you not drink your water today? And as most of you know, Kenzie is a storyteller and she loves to tell stories. So I often actually have to look at her pee to see what color it is to make sure she's drinking a lot of water. But Kenzie takes after me and is a fizzy queen as well. My only trick there is that I do try to go regular water, fizzy water, regular water, fizzy water. So just to make sure that, it's all hydration, but I do believe that regular water is the best thing for you. So go drink your water and have an awesome day. Bye.